What is up, everyone? Welcome back to your daily stimulus check news. The topic of today's video is a fourth stimulus check update. Let's get right to the very first article. With the third stimulus checks being sent out, will there be a fourth stimulus check? It leaves only one question remains. Is a fourth stimulus check coming? Yes or no, guys? That's what we're talking about in today's video. What's behind the push for a fourth stimulus check? CBS, you know it's reputable, you know it's legit. I'm not allowed to play videos, but to quickly summarize and go over the text, the IRS has issued 156 million payments in the third stimulus check. Now the question is, guys, Joe Biden said two packages, right? Two different individual packages worth between $2 to $4 trillion. So with that being said, if Joe Biden said 100% is going to be $4 trillion split up into two packages, or $4 trillion two individual packages, then why would he not actually include stimulus check packages into these new $2 to $4 trillion multiple stimulus packages? It makes no sense to not include stimulus checks in these packages. Could a fourth stimulus check with reoccurring payments coming in 2021? Like I said in my earlier videos, if you guys did not watch that, I highly recommend you go watch it. Let's go over it one more time. A fourth stimulus check with reoccurring payments is possible. It's not 100% guaranteed. It might not happen, but this just proves all along what I've been saying. I've been saying over and over again for over a week, guys, that in Congress they're actually negotiating, at least talking about a potential fourth stimulus check, and they're even talking about potentially making it reoccurring monthly payments. Let me know in the comments right now if you're watching live. Please hit that like button and also comment below. Do you think we deserve either a one-time fourth stimulus check, or do you actually support and prefer monthly stimulus check until the end of the year? That's basically what my source is telling me. Right now they're debating, number one, should they even include, a fourth stimulus check? And if they do, should it be a one-time payment, or should it be a monthly recurring payments? Again, guys, I do have a source that works inside Senate, inside Congress, and they actually go so far as to actually show these videos to lawmakers, judges. So you never know who's gonna watch this video, but to get the word out there, please do me one big favor. Please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment. You know why? Not only do I post daily videos, every single day I give away free Amazon gift cards. I've given over 1,250 free Amazon gift cards, over $23,000 all out my own pocket. If you want to enter the free Amazon gift card giveaway that I do every single day in every video, all you have to do is hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and comment, guys. Any comment will enter you in the giveaway. With that being said, guys, with that out the way, let's get back in the articles. Let's start summarizing them. Number one, guys, right here, as you can see, fourth stimulus check. Joe Biden did go on record and say in his new Build Back Better plan, he's going to make a $4 trillion stimulus package, split up into two packages, allegedly. I have to say alleged. And as we see right here, guys, with 100 senators in the U.S., this accounts for 21% of the group. And as we see right here, guys, and 2/3 of polled Americans, guys, 75% voted in favor and support of a reoccurring direct payment worth as much as $2,000 a month. So again, please comment below. Please hit that like button. Do you support a $2,000 a month, or $1,200 or $1,400? Basically a monthly stimulus check every single month until the end of the year. Or even if you don't support a stimulus check at all, please comment below. I do not censor you guys. I just don't like cursing. Let's keep it PG. Let's keep it adults, guys. There's no reason to bicker back and forth and fight amongst one another, guys. We're all Americans. We're all citizens of this beautiful country, the best country in the freaking world. That's just my opinion. Please hit that like button if you actually agree. Let's get to the second article right here. The IRS has actually issued many stimulus checks. Right now, the federal response to the economic crisis was caused by the pandemic has delivered $3,200 to each eligible adult, guys. Not only that, with that being said, guys, 4 in 10 people are saying that their income remains below the pre-pandemic levels. Me personally, guys, I've given away every single one of my stimulus check, every single penny. A lot of you guys know, but I've received over 1,000 comments this month alone. I literally just typed in the question and I could search my comments. Over 1,000 people individually asked me, what did you do with your stimulus check? A lot of you guys know every single stimulus check, I give it away to you guys. All the money I get out of my pocket for these giveaways is actually just coming from my pocket, coming from the stimulus checks. 100% of the money I actually got from the stimulus checks, every single one, 1, 2, and 3, it all went to give it away to people during Christmas, to buy Christmas gifts, buy, Amazon gift cards to people. 100% I do this to help people out, but that's besides the point. And finally, guys, the very last article, last but not least, could a fourth stimulus check with reoccurring actually begin in 2021? It's possible. Is it going to 100% happen? Will it happen? Nobody knows, right? There's no 100% concrete evidence. There's no, proof that says 100% it will. Basically, they're actually talking about it right now. They're negotiating and they're saying what they should do in Congress. And my source finally got back to me and they just confirmed everything these articles are finally saying that I've said over a week ago. Right now, it's very busy with the stimulus checks, with the Build Back Better plan, guys. Negotiations are continuing about a fourth stimulus check. Joe Biden said $4 trillion and two stimulus packages. Will they actually include stimulus checks, please comment below. If you do support a fourth stimulus check, regardless if it's a one-time payment or a monthly payment, show your support by hitting that like button, hit that like, hit that subscribe, share this on social media. Not only that, if you have $1, guys, hit this white join button. It only costs 99 cents to become a member. You get a bunch of cool members only exclusive content in the members only community tab, such as pictures, polls, live streams, giveaways, guys, emojis. Every single video I'm live with my members. And if you see people live, those are members. It only costs 99 cents if you want to become a member. I also have a Patreon if you have $1. Again, all the money goes to actually helping other people. I use the money for giveaways, guys. And finally, guys, I do have a clothing line brand. All the shirts are 100% cotton. All the shirts are $19.99. All the money goes to help someone else in need. Please hit that like. Please hit that subscribe. Have a great day, everyone. That's it for today. Peace. For today. Peace.